SOUN is trying to bounce after a pretty rough sell-off, but for me this still looks like a recovery attempt rather than a confirmed reversal. Price is sitting just below 6.78 resistance, and that's the level I really care about. If buyers can reclaim it with solid volume, then I'd start paying attention again. Until then, momentum still favors the downside, and I don't see any reason to rush into this setup. Patience matters here. If you want my exact execution framework and the setups I'm personally watching before market open, it's inside the Patreon, link in the description.